Welcome to Sher Dili, a space for questions, not answers.
where we have dil far ke conversations around culture, art, mental health, and everything in between.
We're your hosts, Shagun.
Sanya and Sanjana.
Hello, welcome to Sher Dili episode number 5. Today we have our first ever guest on Sher Dili. Woohoo! Anchit, and I'm saying this correctly, Anchit Maggie.
Correct.
Beautiful,
मेरा
lovely.
clear हो गया surname का pronunciation
Huh.
clear.
And today we're talking about Dude Get a Real Job. But basically, men trying to navigate through creative fields. Shall we? Hello, Anchit. Hi.
Hi, you guys. Thank you for having me on.
Thank you for coming here.
How
But
how are we feeling?
yes, this is a therapy session. We tricked you.
How are we feeling, Anchit?
Nervous,
Hmm.
excited. I not much of a talker, so I'll have to talk now.
Okay.
That's
We'll just
okay.
dive right into this very cliched
हाँ.
question,
Hmm.
which is, क्या दिल टूटना जरूरी है to make music?
नहीं यार, I don't think so. Because मेरा कभी टूटा नहीं है, luckily. Hopefully नहीं टूटेगा. And मगर मेरे दोस्तों का बहुत टूटा है, and मैं उनसे inspiration ले लेता हूँ. So
अरे
I don't think one needs to go through it personally when inspiration is all around you.
Beautiful. So we learn from other people's sadness and pain. Beautiful.
yeah,
Yes.
and make capitalize on other people's sadness.
Yes.
वो भी नहीं कर पा रहा है, capitalize भी नहीं कर पा रहा है, but so music is considered emotional by nature, but society tells men to kind of man up. Do you end
Also,
up facing some sort of
sorry to interrupt, but maybe Anchit, you can like in 30 seconds give us a little introduction, if you can,
अभी मुझे
because
question
not
पूछना
everybody
होता
knows कि अंचित क्या करता है.
हाँ.
हाँ.
ठीक है. So अभी कर दूं मैं. Hi guys, my name is Anchit Maggie. I'm a singer-songwriter. I'm a composer. I've been releasing music since the past 5 years, and now I've gotten to a stage where I love producing for the other artists and sort of taking inspiration from them and fulfilling their vision. That's something I quite like doing, and getting into the composition for other people's side a bit now, and that's also something I'm enjoying. So yeah, basically I do all that.
And now you're here on this podcast titled Dude Get a Job. After you
Yes.
tell us, I do these so many things. Is that something you hear often?
I think people are too polite to say it to me, but I feel it a lot when I tell people what I do.
By the way, I have
Sorry.
Sana, you go.
just complimenting you that I've heard लापरवाह और क्या गाना लिखा है भाई, honestly. And yeah, I love lyrics also a lot, so I'm very intrigued to also learn about how do the words come to you or for you, and how is it that लोगों के दुख से आपको इतना फील हो रहा है कि आप गाना ही बना रहे हो, और मतलब how is that happening for you?
So Laparwa was a pretty personal song also at that time, and it's co-written by Sanjana over here, by the way. We both wrote it together.
Woohoo!
And Laparwa came at a time where I had dropped out of my college, and it was basically about not worrying too much about life, and which I was doing at that time. So Laparwa did come from something personal, but also lyrics are just very random things. Sometimes like in 5 minutes you can write 2 songs. Sometimes like for 6 months you get nothing. So it really just depends, and it's about confidence that if you don't get something right now, maybe just leave it for a bit and come back to it, and maybe something will arise from it. But regarding inspiration, like I have written a few breakup songs, and all of them generally just came from seeing my friends just being sad, and I wanted to say something, but I couldn't say it directly, so I just made a song about it.
Wow.
That's what a lot of,
Woohoo!
yeah.
Hmm.
Beautiful.
Okay. I'll ask you the question that I was asking again, which is that this bit that so music is considered emotional by nature, and society asks men to kind of man up. Do you face that conflict within? How does that show up for you?
Yeah, I do. Constantly, even now, it's like I look at it's also, I think, some part of jealousy as well as added to that, because when I started doing this, I started when I was 18, 19. So,
Hmm.
well, all of my friends were in college. I started earning before all of them, right?
Yeah.
So, at that time, I was like, wow, this is so sorted. I mean,
Huh.
the only way is up. But then they all got good jobs, and I'm right here only. So from there, it kind of then went to seeing them have good, stable lives and going to office, and of course, not all good things there, but seeing them have some kind of stability, and I'm just like trying to search for the next thing that's coming along.
Hmm.
So that is there, but it's also a reminder that quite often when people complete like college degrees and do stuff like that, and they get into a job, they also have a ladder to climb, right? And they get an internship, then they get a first not paying well job, and they kind of go through a lot before finally arriving at a stage where everything is great. So I kind of use that and sort of learn from that it's okay if I'm not there yet, but if I just compare that side to my own career, I have like definitely a few years to go before I get to that stage where I'm fully comfortable.
I understand. That's a lot of information in one beautiful sentence. I have so many questions popping up, but one I'll start with before what you were talking about right now, when we were joking about how this episode is called "Dude, Get a Real Job." कैसा तुम्हें कभी feel कराया गया है? And you said हाँ. That is what I was asking about, which I interrupted Sanya for. So could you tell, मतलब, in what way have you been made to feel कि dude get a real job?
uh so I really feel like I am quite privileged in that matter. I'm pretty sure other people have had worse experiences than me in this field. My family is really supportive of me, and stuff like all of that is like I have a good lucky life. But even then, whenever I have to say to people that this is what I do, even though they haven't uh, told me like face to face that like मतलब ये क्या कर रहा है भाई मतलब, but I felt it like on their face when I tell them that I'm a musician. They're like, okay, good. So that part of us is always there. I don't think it'll ever leave, and it also changes from age to age, because if I tell a person who's like 22 that I'm a musician, they're like, oh wow. When I tell a person who's 55 I'm a musician, he's like, okay. So that also changes from time to time.
Sanjana, you go. But एक question है that makes a lot of sense, and I kind of relate to what you're saying because age I think makes a huge difference because musicians also come with like very cool. I'm like, oh my God, I'm a musician wala feeling. But I think it depends on how
Yeah.
old the person is that you're talking to. You're right. Like a 22-year-old would be like, wow. But a
Mm.
55-year-old would be like, पैसे कहाँ से आ रहे हैं तुम्हारे पास ये
Yeah.
बताओ. I get that. But you said, like you mentioned, your family was very supportive. That's very, very rare, I think. I mean,
Mm.
was there like did you have to kind of come out as a musician?
No, because I was just so bad at everything else that they kind of just assumed that I would just do that. Because I remember when I was transitioning from 10th to 11th, and we all have to choose our subjects. My mom spent like 8 hours every day just trying to help me in mathematics so I pass 10th. And she just asked me, she was like, are you planning to take maths in 12th? Just hoping that I say no. And I was like, no, not at all. She was like, okay. So, plus, I feel like all of us search for something to do. Like, right? Like some people find it sooner than others, and
Hmm.
I feel I'm really lucky with that because in school I already knew that this is the way to go for me, and I knew it would be tough, and it's still tough only. But I just knew that there's nothing else that I want to do. I could do stuff to implement this, help this, but this is like what I want to do anyway. So,
That's beautiful. That's
thank you.
actually, you are one of the lucky few, I think. I have तो personally become, I've accepted कि शायद मरते दम तक मुझे choose नहीं हो पाएगा. I can't. There's too much to do.
You'll
Sanjana,
find you.
please.
But you also had a real job, quote unquote real job for a very long time.
Hmm.
You were a music teacher
Hmm.
in a school. So was
Wow.
it different then when you used to tell people, I'm a music teacher along with being a musician?
That actually helped a little because that kind of told people that मैं कुछ तो कर रहा हूँ मतलब it's nothing, I'm
Hmm.
just not flailing around the world. uh, but I actually like being a music teacher as well because for me I really enjoyed school, especially like the last 2 years. It was very very fun. So I just kind of got to relive that a bit with other kids in school, and it was a pretty fun job. Of course, it was very stressful also handling like 40 kids at a time, but uh, that's why I don't want to do it. Uh, but it was pretty fun to do that as well.
Understood. I am a little concerned about why Sanya has been making this face for the
No,
last
I
10
was
minutes.
reading your message. Actually, I'm
It's
feeling
hard
like we
relate.
should do this more often because I feel like it's मैं थोड़ा सा inspirational लग रहा है ये सुन के, and I really like how connected, how sure you are of yourself. That is मतलब बहुत बढ़िया बात है वो.
Hmm.
And also मेरे को बहुत hit किया when you mentioned कि जैसे other areas also have their struggles. You mentioned कि जैसे internship करो, फिर ये करो, इतनी डिग्रियां लो, ये so many, and how they have their own ladder, right? And how beautifully a part of you is like, and so this is my context, and I have my own ladder, and being okay, and you seem to be okay with it. I'm sure you have your days, but
Hmm.
yeah. So I think I was just swaying with what like that's what showed up for me. And this thing that grass हमेशा लगेगी greener on the other side,
Yeah.
but आपको नहीं लग रही है, आपको अपनी भी
Yeah.
दोनों की ही लग रही है कि fucked है और ठीक
Yeah.
है
Definitely.
पानी दे रहे हो, so it's fun.
Hmm. It did take a long while to sort of get there as well. I mean, when first people started getting jobs, I was just like, damn, I've just done the wrong thing here. Not only am I a musician, I also don't have a college degree. So this is like, I'm completely done. But after a while, it kind of came to that stage where, okay, it's like I'm clearly progressing and it's going to take a while, but I'll get there. It took a long time to get here.
Yeah, it does sound like a lot of something with yourself, like
Huh.
holding hands with yourself. That's
Hmm.
coming for me, like, and that is crazy.
I love that you've been able to do this consistently and like commit to it. I think a lot of like with creative careers in general that are quote unquote non-traditional, you have to have an insane amount of self-belief to be able to actually do what you want to do. Because you throw a rock, ऐसा 20 लोग मिल जाएंगे जो बोलेंगे ये क्या कर रहा है तू, क्यों कर रहा है ये, क्यों, like where will this take you? One song will be hit. Then what? Then how will you have a family? How will you have kids? How will you take care of the house and your parents when they're old? I know. So I this is inspiring actually. Sanya is very right because personally it's like a little shaky right now.
Hmm.
Yeah.
But Ikto, thank you so much for saying I'm aspiring. Although I'm just, and also, it's not only just trying to be consistent, but it's also about being consistent in the face of a lot of rejection as well. Because all creative artists, I feel, face a lot of rejection. For example, before getting a good gig, you kind of talk to 50 people who say no first. For getting a song through to some TV series or something, you face a lot of rejections before that as well. So it's you have to build that self belief. Otherwise, you can just the first person that says no, you'll be like, okay, maybe I'm not that good enough, and that did happen a lot. But now it's the other way around, where if a person says no, it's like I know what I am, and hopefully they'll just realize it in some time.
आप
Something like
बहुत
that.
ज्यादा साइकोलॉजी कर रहे हो यार यहाँ पे तो
Crazy,
हमारे माइंड के साथ
crazy.
कर रहे हो कि आओ मेरी बात सुनो बट व्हाट शोड अप फॉर मी वाज आल्सो व्हेन यू वर सेइंग कि एक रिजेक्शन में ही अगर हो गया तो फिर कैसे होगा तो दैट्स
Yeah.
व्हाई how we are told to view artists so there's a conditioning and then there's a lot of work around ऐसी तो कहानी बनती है this a sense of कि अच्छा रिजेक्शन आया तो क्या पता और बेटर गाना निकलेगा अच्छा फिर और बेटर निकलेगा अगेन कमिंग बैक टू कि दिल में कुछ होगा निकलेगा do you think that really does happen?
I think a part of that is true only because a lot of times when we tend to make a song and we tend to listen to it, like जैसे 5-6 बार सुन लिया हमने, it does start to like sound better than it actually is. And it's required. For example, I do send all of my music to a lot of people. One of them is Sanjana only, but she is quite biased because she likes everything. So I do send it to others also, to get some kind of a response. And even if they say ki nahi, it's good, I'm like, just tell me, matlab, what is it? Tell me what you think, because it is very important to get that kind of objectivity to it, where like, of course, all music is subjective, but there is some objectivity to it as well, where if something doesn't work, it just doesn't work. So that is a balance that you have to make sure you're getting right.
But again जैसे आपने बोला you have to of course you would know better the technicalities of music but as a view as a listener इतनी audience है इतना सारा type of music है how do you find your niche and how do you like as a showing up for me you मतलब because something will speak to someone something else will speak to someone and this part about creativity in itself like how do you judge it it's just what speaks to you तो आप कैसे objective उसको try करने का कैसे how do you work around it?
So the first part of this is the pilot rule, like the 10,000 hour rule, which is like, of course, the first song you make is just going to be bad. Of course it is. And it's kind of realizing that and trying to get better stuff going. And a lot of it is also copying. For example, if I want to have a song like John Mayer, I just make a John Mayer song, and that's not something that I release, but because it's too much of a copy, but I get to learn a lot from it. Like I get to learn the most important thing in any creative career, which is like taste making. Like I learn like if something is good or something isn't good.
First of all, do you all understand what I listen to on a daily basis when I doubt myself? Like, ऐसे ही तो आगे बढ़ोगे नहीं तो कैसे होगा? So
Wow.
and sort of pivoting thoda sa to the sort of main idea we came into this with. जैसे शगुन ने बोला था कि लोग पूछते होंगे कि फ्यूचर कैसे करोगे घर कैसे बनाओगे so many things and there's like this added stereotype or expectation कि because you're a man you will be more responsible for all of these things. Does that play into your love for music or your love for your career or you even building your career ki oh shit I am a man I need to have a family and tick 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 do all this?
100%, because you kind of grown up also seeing that everywhere around you, and my home has not been like that. My home has been very mom dominant. So I kind of grew up like that, but like it's a huge part of whatever career choices I make. And I think it's also a huge part of anyone else's career, right? So I kind of just go back to that thought only. Okay? For example, if someone wants to become a lawyer, right? Becoming a lawyer is extremely hard. It's not easy. And even becoming an engineer these days, it's very difficult to do. Like to become a good one, actually. Like it's very difficult. So you just kind of, it's again about just having that self belief where it is very tough, but हो जाएगा. मतलब let's just keep at it, but हो जाना चाहिए, hopefully. मतलब
आई फील लाइक जो जो बात नहीं समझ पाते लोग
Hmm.
वो कैसे समझ गया इतनी जल्दी, क्योंकि आई नो व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू से, यू आर एसेंशियली ट्राइंग टू से कि ठीक है चलो मैंने सेफ जॉब ले ली, बट देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल इन द वर्ल्ड, राइट? हाउ डू आई, इज देयर एनी गारंटी कि मैं लॉयर करके भी, मैं बहुत लॉयर बन के भी मैं इतना शायद ना कमाऊं या कभी कुछ, सो दिस या लाइक ये जो बात जो लोग कर नहीं पाते बिकॉज एक डर होता है कि एटलीस्ट दैट थिंग ऑफ स्टेबिलिटी, दैट मेनली दैट बिट, राइट, कि चलो देयर इज अ डिग्री टू फॉल बैक टू और देयर इज स्टेबिलिटी, वो हाउ हाउ आपको कैसे इतनी जल्दी समझ आ रहा है, समझ आ गया?
So it was very practical only. When I started earning a little, that's when I understood it. Like before that, like the same questions I've asked myself 1,000 times over. But when I got, for example, when I got my first TV show and got that payment, I was like, okay, something is happening.
Is it Doctors?
Yeah, Doctors was the first one.
Let's go. So Anshit, Maggie, क्या किया आपने डॉक्टर्स में बताओ?
I composed a song for the series on Jio Cinema called Doctors.
You've also done like the whole soundtrack for Highway Love.
I feel like संजना ऐसे साइड पे बैठी है कि भाई तू ये वो भी करता है।
Highway Love.
Highway तो
For Highway. Okay, I was like, oh, what? That movie?
But you were also, you did a job before, but you write songs, you sing songs, you do.
Basically, this is our entire dynamic. Anshit he's unable to like show off and tell people what he's done. So I do all of it. I'm his personal PR.
हाँ, तुम्हें मुझे बोलना पड़ता है, मैं
वो अंशित और मैं एक दूसरे के लिए यही करते रहते हैं ना बस।
हो जाता है।
हाँ,
एक अपने लिए भी करते हैं।
So cute.
But yeah, like coming back to the basically so वो तभी clarity आई when I actually started earning. Like अगर नहीं होता तो who knows what I'd be doing by now, right? But when I actually saw things happening and stuff did start coming my way, that's when the self-belief built up that okay, for all the trying, I am getting things. So if I just keep at it, I'll get more stuff. So that's just what happened basically.
It's like you chose and then results bhi aaye, then chose. That's that bit about, keep choosing.
Actively choosing, consistently choosing, no? हाँ यार,
तुम
सच
क्या
में।
बोल रहे थे? कुछ मस्ती?
मैं कुछ तो बकचोदी बोल रहा था। हाँ, मैं बोल रहा था अंशित ये बताओ कि सीरियस बातें हमने बहुत कर ली। Tell us something. What's a very non-musician thing about?
I live a pretty I'm a bit of a boomer, honestly. I am not that good with tech. I don't like going out. I don't like socializing too much, which is not a good thing for my career. But sadly, like all of these sometimes start at like 10 p.m. I'm like, भाई मैं घर में बैठना चाहता हूँ यार 10 बजे रात को, नहीं जाना कुछ करने.
I think
So yeah.
ये वाली बात जो आपने बोली, जो आई थिंक हम भी अपनी अपनी फील्ड्स में अब ये एनकाउंटर कर रहे हैं कि इतनी आबादी, एवरीबडी इज सेलिंग देमसेल्व्स. योर करियर इज नॉट जस्ट व्हाट यू स्टडी, व्हाट यू डू और व्हाट यू आर गुड एट, इट्स हाउ यू सेल इट, हाउ यू प्रेजेंट इट. पर्सनालिटी बिकती है, बंदा बिकता है, ऑटो ट्यून हो जाएगा गाना तो, लाइक थिंग्स लाइक दैट. हाउ हैज इट बीन लाइक फॉर यू कि आपको सिर्फ सिंगर नहीं बनना है, आपको इतने सारे सिंगर्स हैं, इतनी सारी एजेंसीज है, इतना सारा टैलेंट मैनेजर्स है, आपको क्या करो फिर? Like how do you work around it?
This is something that just became clear like maybe like few months ago only, after so many years. Like I found my space, which is there are certain things you're good at and certain things you're not good at, right? Everyone is just not good at music. Like there are so many things to it. So I've realized what I'm not good at is being a full-on artist, like releasing my songs, doing PR, doing marketing, doing reels. I'm like ये मुझे नहीं करना, कभी भी मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है, I'm not interested. So what I am good at is composing for other people and working on others' songs. So that also gives me some leeway for when I release my own music. I don't have to think about any other thing. Like I just release it. I don't think about anything. So my own sort of skill set uh, tends to go more towards helping maybe others with their music or like some big composition thing. So it took me a while to find that, and I just got into it like very recently. Is when I opened myself up to other musicians and helping them sort themselves out. Uh, but yeah, so that took a long time. Like that took a long time. It took a lot of trying. I honestly like when I started releasing music. Laparwa was my second release, and because at that time uh, no other label or no movie was happening, right? It was a lockdown, so all these powerful people only had indie music to place everywhere, so they did that with Laparwa, and it got really good streams and stuff like that. So I was like, wow, this is just so easy, मतलब मैं तो ये करता रहूंगा. But then other people started releasing stuff, and I was like, okay, this is not happening. And I realized that the stuff I needed to do alongside it, which is like push my music, tell people to listen to it, ये मुझसे नहीं होता बार बार. So finally, like just some months ago, I got that clarity. कि अब मैं अपने लिए गाने निकालूंगा, and for work,
Oh,
I'm gonna do these
that
things.
sounds like a plan. एंड ऑल्सो लाइक मेरे को लग रहा है कि
हम्म.
हम सोच रहे थे कि हम बुलाएंगे, पता चलेगा कितना मतलब शायद कितना दिमाग लाइक सॉर्टेड नहीं साउंड हो रहा होगा. इतने सॉर्टेड साउंड हो रहे हो आप कि मुझे अब लग रहा है कि
But it,
क्लैरिटी लाइक
you are so clear,
क्रेजी.
नहीं, but like
very clear-headed.
नहीं होता, मगर this is what people like to think. मतलब this is my ideal thoughts in my head, but it doesn't always feel like that. मतलब most of the time only actually. Like
बट द फैक्ट दैट क्लैरिटी मतलब वो जो होता है ना कि मतलब आप सोच रहे हो एक्टिवली इस बारे में और आपने यू सेड इट्स बिन अ लॉन्ग जर्नी. ऑफ कोर्स वी जस्ट गेट टू नो व्हाट्स कमिंग अप फॉर यू आफ्टर यू हैव lived a couple of years in the industry. So we acknowledge that. We don't mean to dismiss that, but we also want to appreciate the bit where we also feel like जैसे आपने ये वाला पार्ट बोला कि you're like अच्छा ये वाले पार्ट में अच्छा नहीं करना है, तो how your brain worked around channelizing that bit, and now how you want to give yourself a chance and be like, okay, this is my work thing and I'm going to do this, and then I'm also going to produce my music. So बढ़िया है.
I have a question now. This might be a little off topic, but I'm also very intrigued. Do you have like a set creative process, Anchit? Like, are there things you try to do when you're creating music or trying to get inspiration?
yeah, I mean, by now I do have a set process for making a song, which is I just start on my acoustic guitar. I like sort of strum the whole melody, and then I like, if you have seen the Taylor Swift documentary, who would have seen the Taylor Swift documentary? But basically, she tends to do the same thing, which is like you kind of make the entire song start to finish on the acoustic guitar. You record that, and you hum over it what the melody is supposed to be. And a lot of people then think that they can write a lyric, which is what a lot of people do only. But my lyrics tend to come mostly at the very end, where I've done a lot of the music and I sort of made a vibe, and then I tend to go off that vibe with the lyrics. So that is my process basically. I it on an acoustic guitar, and then I move on to recording it.
Very nice and structured.
The number of like audio files on my phone which are just 3 minutes of Anchit playing something random going ha 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 is wild.
Really?
Yeah.
Beautiful. हा ही क्या है? Humming है वो.
Yes.
Beautiful.
हाँ, साइड syllables ताकि पता लगे ना कि lyrics में syllables कहाँ कहाँ जाएंगे.
Masti. I love it. I have one thing to ask you. Matlab, this has been, I mean, all inspiring, but I'm sure people struggle with finding like if there's another musician or someone who wants to become a musician, there aren't many like mentors or people in similar situations to look up to, at least who are approachable and accessible for advice, because it always helps to have someone, who's done this in their own way. जिसके आप have you had access to like a mentor, or like where do you get your guidance from, or is it all Sanjana?
So, a lot of it is Sanjana, of course, and like in my own way, I've sort of realized. So I used to think what you're saying right now, which is like people seem unapproachable,
Hmm.
right? Until you actually approach them, and then they just become like normal humans that are just going through life the same as you. So,
This guy.
uh, you know, I tend to like. I tend to shoot my shot a lot where I just DM people a song of mine and I'm like, please listen to this. I do this.
Love
And
that.
so through that, I found so many people just willing to help out who are doing very well and are just open to helping other people because in fact, one thing I've noticed in the music industry is like a kind of set thing you have to be in order to become someone in the industry is you have to be a good person, otherwise no one will work with you. And that is something I've noticed a lot because whenever I've asked for help I've gotten it. And
Wow.
whether it is like someone doing very well, whether it is someone doing the same as me, it's always been a very helpful environment, and that is not something you think of when you enter it,
Hmm.
but you just need to ask for help and people just line up
जब
trying to
तक
help you.
पूछोगे नहीं कुछ होगा कैसे
That's
भाई
true.
Yeah.
That's
अरे
true.
भाई
My
क्या चल
mom
रहा है
said
यार
कि
ये?
my mom has said, and I live with that one quote in my brain, कि until you ask, the answers always no. So at least ask.
Yeah.
Wow.
आई फील लाइक ये सान्या
Yeah.
मेरा शगुन का थेरेपी सेशन चल
हाँ
रहा है
यार,
हाँ
girls part.
क्या हो रहा है?
Yeah, like
I feel like we should also begin. बोलो सान्या, sorry.
नहीं बोलो मैं तो ऐसी कुछ भी बोला, मैं तो ऐसी vibe पे. The first question I asked you about manning up, right? And but I feel like that question is so overused. Like अब मेरे को लग रहा है कि after talking to you, it just feels like there's so much. Like I see a lot of emotional understanding. Because उसके बिना नहीं हो सकता. Something as simple as you have to ask. That's the only way to get. Or like I'm thinking of this very famous quote that runs around in psychology and that book, The Box, the horse and the fox and वो कौन सी book है? Mole. And it's like, what is the bravest thing I have ever done? Asked the horse, and the other person says, ask for help. So I'm just thinking कि ये जो बहुत basic philosophies of life है, like asking, knowing that it's your own journey, taking your own time, believing in yourself, also being practical about it, right? Like also thinking of it from the lens of what can I do? What is my role in this? What are my controllables here? Takes a lot of emotional work, emotional clarity. तो मेरे को लग रहा है मैनिंग अप वगैरह तो क्या ही, जब अगर sounds to me like you're in tune with your emotions. So yeah, and I also just to add on, मेरे को बहुत सही लगा ये process आपने जो creative process का बोला, because I love music, like I love lyrics. I don't know if Sanjana has told you, मेरे दिमाग में एक side of the brain में 24 घंटे गाने चल रहे होते हैं, and I'm not exaggerating. So for me, I'm somebody who goes for lyrics actively. Now I'm trying कि मुझे music पे भी मजा लेना, like I want to enjoy that bit also, like the flow of the music. But आपने बोला कि आप पहले रिदम बनाते हो और फिर रिदम को वाइब करते हो और फिर लिरिक्स डालते हो, तो मेरे लिए वो ऐसे हुआ कि म्यूजिक इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू just listening to the tunes are going to bring words. So for me that stayed, that
एपिफनी हो गया है सान्या को
और मैं उससे अब मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं सिर्फ म्यूजिक सुनती हूँ थोड़ा सा और फिर देखती हूँ क्या शब्द आ रहे हैं. So that might also be exciting. But yeah, thank you for sharing.
Yeah, so because whenever I listen to music, I never listen to the lyrics
Yeah.
first. Like naturally, मैं कभी भी नहीं सुनता ऐसे. Like कई बार तो I listen to a song like 10 times and then I realize what he's actually saying, what they're actually
Same.
saying. Like that's how I have always listened to music. Yeah,
Complete
that's kind of
opposite. Like literally, I listened to the
yeah,
first
exactly.
time, I
Same.
remember the lyrics. तो मेरे को ये सुन के
Hmm.
लग रहा है कि मेरे को आई एम रियलाइजिंग हाउ powerful tunes or sounds can be that they are going to bring out lyrics, and now I'm actually excited to do that. Yeah.
I'm glad. I'm glad.
Hi, Anchi.
Hi.
ये
My
डालेंगे
turn now.
हाय अंशी बार बार डालते हैं बीच में
Describe your music career in a Bollywood movie title.
नो हेड्स अप ऐसे बोल दिया
अरे, what heads up?
Wow.
यार
No heads
ऐसे
up.
क्वेश्चन
See.
मैं कभी भी नहीं कर पाता हूँ आंसर, बट I would say ये जवानी है दीवानी.
Nice.
एंड व्हाई हम ऐसे मानते नहीं है हमें जानना है
Reason?
Because only a crazy young person would get into this field.
You know what? Fair. You would be very bad at like a coffee with Karan rapid
Fair.
fire round, Anchit.
Yeah, I agree.
You would be
Oh,
horrible
yeah.
at it.
100.
मेरे दिमाग में
Yeah.
आ रहा है कि वो आपने बोला ओनली अ क्रेजी यंग पर्सन कैन गेट इनटू दिस
Would normally. Yeah.
मेरे को बड़ा क्रेजी दिमाग में कॉम्बिनेशन सा लग रहा है कि आपसे बात करके ऐसा लग रहा है कि there's this part which feels very like old school और that wisdom कि यार हो जाएगा वो भी बहुत बड़ा wisdom होता है कि हो जाएगा देखा जाएगा and a lot of
हो जाए. And also that he's bad at tech.
यार तुम चुप वो हो जाएगा और फिर स्टार्टिंग वाला पार्ट जिसमें यंग एंड क्रिएटिव तो वो दोनों का amalgamation is happening.
I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I tend to get inspired a lot by other creative things like films and stuff like that. And I also really like listening to interviews and stuff like that of people I admire. So, Pankaj Tripathi ka interview tha ek, in which, someone was asking him ke, it took you a long while to get here. मतलब did you always think of this या फिर वो तो he says कि नहीं मैं तो सोच के आया था like कि मुझे करना यही है and जितना भी वक्त लगेगा लगेगा. So that is very inspiring.
I love
I feel
that.
like such people are so important and to be one also. क्योंकि आप अपना ही काम नहीं कर रहे आप बहुत लोगों को और मतलब in very twisted ways help कर पा रहे हो. For example, you're talking about
True.
this random thing that Pankaj Tripathi said, which is generating so much courage, something in you.
Yeah.
And I am the one being helped the most. जब मुझे हर रोज existential crisis होता है कि मैं क्या कर
Very
रहा हूँ.
nice. This is.
What is this career? What is this?
Guys, for context, Sanjana works with me और इतनी बदतमीज है कि वो हर बार ये तो बोलेगी कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ मैं क्या कर रही हूँ मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. So many times imagining a
Anyway.
person talking with you.
This is not about me. This is about Anchi.
Yes.
There's also like a certain way that people understand indie artists in India especially. भाव नहीं मिलता उनको. They're unimportant. क्या time waste कर रहे हैं. So how would you rather want? What would you want people to just understand about being a musician?
So I believe there are two sides to this question because थोड़ा सा मुझे change करना पड़ेगा question. Because so one thing which I always realize when I release music is that no one asked me to do this, right? Like I'm doing this because I want to. The world doesn't need it as such, quote unquote, because it's going. मतलब अगर मैं कुछ corporate job भी कर रहा होता तो वो like किसी को फर्क थोड़ा ना पड़ता. Like I want to do this, right? So I feel a lot of musicians tend to get sort of bogged down by this. Entitlement is a bad word, but when sort of people release music, they're like इसको सुनो. But लोगों के पास और काम है दुनिया में. मतलब like लोग नहीं कर पाते ये सब इतने सारे इंडी आर्टिस्ट हैं कैसे सुनेंगे भाई सबको. मैं ही नहीं सुन पाता. So one thing is just you do it for yourself, right? And how indie musicians are perceived is so when I talk about the ecosystem that is there in
Big
India for
words.
indie musicians,
Ecosystem.
it is actually better than other countries when I think about it, because in here you have venues that are willing to pay a token amount. It's not much obviously, but they are willing to pay a token amount and give you shows, right? I went to England and I kind of asked around if there's anything like that exists there, and it does not. Like over there, when you kind of approach a restaurant to play, uh, like at most you'll get food, right? And that's also kind of like exposure. And this I'm only talking about like the total indie musicians, right? That are just releasing music, that have no
Hmm.
resources and stuff like that. For them, India is definitely a better place, because even people that have toured and gone around the world touring, they always say that tier one venues in India, for example, uh, ones where I can play, ones where people can play, those exist more in India than they do
Oh,
outside. Uh, as an economic
Hmm.
resource, but outside बजाओ जितना
पैसा
बजाना
नहीं
है,
मिलेगा.
बहुत जगह होंगी, हाँ. So
Hmm.
that is, I feel like in the indie music scene, it kind of supports each other
Hmm.
by that. Venues exist, they can play, they can guest for other artists, they can play guitar for other artists. So you can build a viable like career if you hit in India.
आई थिंक व्हाट ऑल्सो जो आपने फर्स्ट पॉइंट बोला ना वो काफी हिट हुआ मुझे. आपने बोला कि नीड. सेकंड पॉइंट आई
Hmm.
आल्सो रेजोनेट विद अ लॉट. कि बट द फर्स्ट पॉइंट वे यू सेड कि पीपल यूजुअली कि इट्स नॉट अ नीड लाइक यू नॉट सर्विंग द सोसाइटी इन अ वे दैट सोसाइटी विल स्टॉप फंक्शनिंग इफ यू डोंट मेक अ सॉन्ग. बट
Hmm.
और ये बहुत होता है, पता है, मतलब जैसे कि नीड, मेरे काम की नीड क्या है, इज माई वर्क इम्पोर्टेंट. एंड तो मुझे काफी हिट हुआ कि यू सेड ऑफ कोर्स दैट यू वांटेड, दैट इज व्हाई यू आर डूइंग इट. एंड नीड तो बन जाती है
Yeah.
अपने आप चीजों की. और वो तुम आपको नहीं पता होगा कि किसको क्या नीड है लापरवाह सुनने की या नहीं. We'll never know. Like if you think
Exactly.
about it, you made a song,
True.
you can possibly never know if there was a need for someone to listen to that song. So yeah.
Yes, Shagun.
I feel that way about our podcast also.
हमें नहीं पता नीड क्या है,
Like why?
हमें करना है.
क्यों सुनेंगे लोग? क्यों सुन रहे? क्यों
I
सुने?
hope people,
हमने बनाया पर उसके पास टाइम है सुनने का.
but I hope people take inspiration like indie music का जैसे आपने mention किया. The fact that people, this sounds very hopeful, honestly, that you're saying that the space is conducive uh, to this. But I think now it's Sanjana's time to ask questions. I read the text. Sorry.
No, I think we've majorly covered all of what we thought we wanted to ask, but I feel like we should end with, since we are like three therapists, we should end with something mental healthy therapist-y. So like the biggest thing coming up is like mental health therapy, asking for help. जब तक मदद मांगोगे नहीं, मदद मिलेगी कैसे आपको?
So basically,
What?
she's saying, Anchit, आप therapy क्यों नहीं जाते हो?
अरे he's been to therapy. No, so
But-
basically, from our conversation, I know there are like so many friends or acquaintances who you're like, you should go to therapy. It would really help you. And they never do. So like, how do you as a man and somebody who's also been to therapy, who's seen the benefit of therapy, how do you understand that, and what do you wish other men would understand?
I think so. This is also common with musicians and all men, is that sharing is tough, right? And half the people that write songs just write because they can't say it in any other way, so they just write songs about it, and I've done that as well, of course. And the thing is, all you need is that one point in your life where you just sort of let that thought go and just share it, and immediately you feel better, and you realize that वो पूरा thought process ही dumb था मेरा. And like I feel like people are just stuck at that point where it is obviously because of societal things also, where it doesn't feel good coming out of my mouth. Okay, I'm not able to do, like, I'm not doing well. Like that is a bit weird to like think about when I even say it. So I think it'll take some time, but I would just like to say, like, just try it. Like तो क्या ही जा रहा है, मत बताओ किसी को एक दिन के जा रहे हो, एक अपने लिए कर लो, बट just go ahead and try it, and eventually, because there's only one right answer, which is like everyone needs it, like otherwise functioning better होती है life में उससे, नहीं तो नहीं हो पाती ज़्यादा. And it's so clear that हमारे around ही कितने लोग हैं who desperately need it, Sanjana, I think you know. And you know, so like you kind of realize when you go to therapy also is that half the reason I'm going to therapy is because this person isn't.
Damn.
So that is also a very real thing that happens.
Spoken like a true therapist's boyfriend, I must say.
Damn.
संजना खेल गई क्वेश्चन.
Beautiful.
मैं एक्सपेक्ट
है ना?
नहीं कर रही थी, ये कहीं नहीं लिखा है ये क्वेश्चन हमारे इसमें, ठीक है. ऐसे आया कि थोड़ा
I love that.
लव इट ब्रो, ये तो स्क्रिप्टेड है.
Not at all.
Like, but also for all musicians in general, I feel like it is so important to focus on that side, because it is an extremely tough journey, and like you need a lot of power and mental strength to get through, and you know, eventually become successful. And most people that are amazing are not able to get through just because of this reason only, that they did not have the mental bandwidth to you know, go through so much. And so I feel like in the music field especially, it is extremely important.
Okay, we're taking clients, guys. You can reach out to us.
Yes.
Yes, Shagun, sorry.
I was going to ask Anchit. Ki, is there any piece of advice you'd like to offer budding musicians? But he's already said it. Ki go to therapy. That's
Go to
the
therapy.
advice.
Definitely.
Yeah, I
है ना?
think the line that he
Sweet.
said कि बहुत लोग
Very
नहीं कर रहे.
beautiful.
This line he said कि बहुत लोग नहीं कर पाते.
उस वजह से मुझे जाना पड़ेगा.
नहीं. This line that he said कि उनमें that because they don't, it requires a lot of mental.
अच्छा. Oh yeah. Oh, that line.
So if that becomes a blocking point, then I hope people do reach out, in which it's not just about therapy, but like
Yeah.
realization of, you know,
Support in any way and any form.
in any way, in any form. Yeah, you don't have to do it all alone. I think
Yeah.
Anchit made it very clear कि भाई मदद भी ले सकते हो, और लोग भी मिल जाएंगे, ये भी हो जाएगा, वो भी हो जाएगा. ये एंड में
बट
हो
जब
जाएगा.
तक आप पूछोगे नहीं तो कैसे होगा?
अरे हाँ बहन, मेरी चौथी बार बोल रही है संजय.
That is for myself more than anybody else.
इस एपिसोड में संजना का वो लूप में हो सकता है. लाइक आई ऑलवेज से आई लव वुमेन, संजना का
Yeah.
लूप में हो सकता है 3-4 बार.
तुम्हारे साथ एक बार हो गया सान्या, इसका मतलब ये नहीं. Beautiful.
Any
this is.
final
I think we
words?
should also kind of wrap up.
Yes.
हाँ.
Any parting words, final words?
Any final words from anyone? Anchit?
नहीं, just सही है, मतलब keep at it.
कैसा लगा आपको पॉडकास्ट पे आके?
Wow, we got our own little pep talk.
बहुत बढ़िया, very nice. I loved it. And I've listened to the
Thank you for
Hey, let's go.
Yay. But thank you for being here. We're so glad you are our
Yes.
first guest.
That's
Sachi. We're glad we
yes,
asked.
for sure.
हाँ.
Crazy.
ठीक है.
आउटरो तो बोल लो
Crazy हो
शगुन.
गया.
Outro
All right,
बोलो.
boys. Yes. If anyone wants to reach out to us and be a guest on this podcast, please do. We are Sher Dili. We are on Instagram as Sher Dili Podcast. We are on Apple Music and Spotify. And soon on YouTube, you shall see our faces as well. Bye bye. Toodles.